Silence. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Destin, Florida. Vacation with Zella. Beautiful. Beach, water, sunsets. Oh my gosh. Beautiful time with me and my baby and my mama. And I don't know where a picture of my mama is. It's gotta be up here soon. And there's baby Jesus. There's baby Jesus in the manger. Yep. There's my baby. There's my baby girl. She got sunglasses on too. That's our view from outside our hotel room. There's our hotel pool. And there's the beautiful beach. And somebody's running on it. And a sunset. Oh, there's the fire and ice picture. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. There's my baby girl and there's my mama. She sure loves her Zella. We all love that baby girl. Dang it, that's a pretty sun. That's a sunrise. Because we're looking to the left, which would be the east. And that's a zoomed in shot of Destin down from where we were staying. The camera did pretty good. There's some more beach shots. We had a great time. Gotta go.